Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration for transferring new leads from the Google Lead form to the Elastic Email service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead form to other systems. For example, in Elastic Email, you can add new contacts and set up email campaigns for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select a data source system. In this case, choose Google Lead form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead form. In this case, choose Elastic Email, Create Contacts. At this stage, we need to create a virtual Google Lead form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. This is the URL where new data from the Google Lead form will come. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your personal account Google Ads. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Section Assets and select Lead Form. Now you need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Next, find the Item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy the last part of the URL and paste it into the key field. Now you need to generate a send of new data to this URL. For this, click Send Test Data. After successful sending, we save the settings and return to the personal account Save My Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Elastic Email account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the API key. To receive it, go to your personal account Elastic Email. Next, go to Settings. API section, Manage API Keys. Click Create. Specify a name for the new key. We provide full access. Click Create. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you need to select the list in which new contacts will be created. Now, you see the Elastic Email fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from the Google Lead form to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Elastic Email as new contacts for each new lead from the Google Lead form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Elastic Email. After successful sending, go to Elastic Email and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead form to be instantly transferred to the Elastic Email service in the form of new contacts, you must enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.